American 1910, LAX taxi to full length.
Full length, American 1910.
Morning.
Morning.
Clearance 128, runway 2 left, deck away, shortened, clear for takeoff, wind 230 at 5.
Clear for takeoff, 24 left, deck away, shortened, runway 128.
And 910, contact SoCal departure.
910, so long.
American 1910, runway 25 right, line up, await.
25 right, line up, wait, American 1910.
American 1910, actually hold short of runway 25 right for a moment.
Hold short, 25 right, 1910.
American 1910, we're stopped departures right now. We just had an earthquake, so we'll call you right back.
Okay. My landing wasn't that bad.
Fairwinds 128, contact SoCal departure.
Departure for 128.
Tower's rocking pretty good.
Alright, will you guys be safe?
I'll let you know when we can resume. The city will let us know their American 1910, okay?
Okay, you say you don't know yet?
No, I don't know if they're going to do checks, runway checks, or I don't know what they're going to do, but...
Okay, alright, thanks.
Hey, Tower, Philip, 436 is the airport stop.
Yeah, it's just no departures, or they're checking, we had an earthquake, so we're just checking the runways and stuff.
Roger.
American 1910 RNAV Docker, wind 230 at 5. Thanks for your patience. Runway 25 right, but for takeoff.
Not a problem. 25 right, Docker, clear to go, American 1910. Good morning, JetBlue 2023, ILS, wind 24 right.
JetBlue 2023, LAX Tower, runway 24 right, clear to land. Wind 2, correction, runway 24 right, continue the approach. Runway inspection in progress. I'll get it to you in just a moment.
Continue approach for runway 24 right, 2023.
American 1910, contact SoCal departure. Good morning.
American 1910, good morning.
JetBlue 2023, LAX Tower, runway 24 right, clear to land. Wind 240 at 5.
Clear to land, runway 24 right, JetBlue 2023. Tower City,
5.1 or 5.2. Delta 1154 Heavy, LAX Tower, good morning to you. Taxi full length.
Taxi full length for Delta 1154 Heavy. Good morning.
Good morning.